Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a delicious Persian dish called Khoresh-e Fesenjan. This stew is made with pomegranate paste, ground walnuts, and either chicken or meat. It's a unique blend of sweet and sour flavors that you're going to love. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 4 chicken thighs, or meat of your choice, 2 cups of ground walnuts, 2 cups of pomegranate paste, 2 onions, dice, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of sugar, optional. Directions: in a large pot, heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the diced onions and sauté until they're golden brown. Add the chicken thighs to the pot and cook until they're browned on all sides. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to the pot and mix well. Add the ground walnuts and stir until they're well coated with the spices. Add enough water to cover the chicken and walnuts and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let the stew simmer for 1 hour, stirring occasionally. After an hour, add 2 cups of pomegranate paste to the pot and stir well. If you like your stew sweeter, you can add 2 tablespoons of sugar at this point. Let the stew simmer for another hour, stirring occasionally. Taste the stew and add salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot with rice. Conclusion: and there you have it, Khoresh-e Fesenjan, a delicious and unique Persian stew that's sure to impress. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.